Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipumo, and if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, and please put your notification bell on, because otherwise you won't know when I upload, or you will, because I upload on different days, so it's better you put the notification button on. So this video is gonna be try on haul video, and recently I went to a place called Texas Mart in Bangalore itself, and I got so many good clothes, fashionable, new, trendy clothes, branded ones, and they sell it in a very affordable price, which is gonna make this video more fun and more entertaining. And plus, I have my friend right here.
Hi guys.
So this is Stacy. Want to introduce yourself?
My name is Stacy, and I'm her classmate.
Yeah. And what are you going to do in this video today?
Today I'm going to help her to show the things she have bought from the Texas Mart.
Yeah, so she's gonna assist me in showcasing my dress, my clothes, and everything, and I'm sure guys you guys gonna love it. So please do not forget to put the thumbs up and subscribe.
So let's watch.
Yeah. So we'll show you one by one. I got it for 100 rupees, and it's comfy type, XL, and it's only 100 rupees. Can you imagine? This is only 100 rupees, and the clothes, it's so smooth, and you can wear it outside, inside. What I mean is, like, you can wear it outdoor when you go outside for partying or whatever in Texas Mart. Next is this kurta, or you can say kurti. So beautiful. I love this color, sky blue color, and pink, my favorite. So the price tag says it's 700. And I know that the malls, we have Forum Mall here, and I bought it for 700 as well. But in that mall, the Texas Mall, they sell it for, what do you think?
300?
Oh yeah, she's correct. So they sell it for 300, which is it's awesome. Other kurtas for 300, so you can get it for 300. So I bought like three sets of kurta. So one is this one, and second one is
Black one.
Yeah, second one is the black one, and third one I wore it today and I kept it for washing. So I'm sorry, I can't show you that. And also you can get palazzos. So these palazzos, you can also use it outside, and these palazzos are very nice. Oh, these palazzos, it looks like a first copy of Gucci. You can see it, right? And people won't identify whether it's real Gucci or the fake one. So yeah, but the thing is, this trouser, okay, so this is trouser, I'm sorry, this trouser, the price tag says 1,300. Okay, just look, if I'm not lying. So the price tag says 1,300. I got this for I think 200 or 300. I'm not so sure right now. Wait, let me see. Yep, sorry, it's 200. You guys, I'm saying it, this small is everything. And 200. Would you not like to buy it?
Yeah.
So another palazzos which I got is this one. So
This is last week from Studio.
yeah,
It was 400, 500 something.
really. But this you got it for, but it also has this brand called Rank Munch. You bought for 400 or something, right? But this is only 200 rupees. Can you imagine? And they have these pockets, and also inside it's covered. That means it won't be see-through, and this is going to be this. You can wear it below your this kurta, and also you can wear it outside, and you can actually
for summer.
yeah, summer, and you can actually make use of it for outdoor things. For what do you say, when you dress up, when you style up, you can style up a lot in this palazzo. So yep, this is one of the good thing. Only
200.
200 rupees. Well, wow. Palazzo, and you can use your own crop top, and you can style your own. This jeans, so we have this tiny skinny jeans. It's not a high waist, but it's still the trendy one because you can see the underneath thing, and it is ripped one, so you can say like it's the trendy one. It's a jean material, so they'll sell it for more prices. But in this mall where I went, they sell it for how much? You guess? Any guesses?
500.
Only 200 rupees. Can you imagine? This material is 200 rupees.
It's very cheap, guys. Very cheap.
Yeah, so she's also shocked because she's getting to know for the first time, right, through this. So yeah. Well, you will never get chance to wear stylish clothes with a cheap price. So please go for it. Go for it. Okay. Then next is you're gonna love it because this is actually from Forever 21. Can you imagine? The real one, the real Forever 21. I was so surprised when I saw this sweater, and it's really cool, See, now it's winter, and it's so smooth to wear, and you can style this, you can style yourself with this sweater, and I think you're liking it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not supposed to see the price first. Okay, so I think in Forever 21 they sell it for a very high price, more than 1,500, I guess. Yeah, but what's shocking for me is it's only 399. So you can say like 400 or not, but yeah, it's
Guys,
only
it's good for
400.
gifting.
Yeah, for gifting your girlfriend and even for yourself, yeah, you can. It's affordable, so you can buy it, and you don't have to spend so much in your branded clothes. You can wear this, and nobody will know whether you're wearing it. Whether you're wearing a fake one or the original one. Who's gonna judge you? Well, I don't care. Whoever judged me. Okay, so. And also, I have men's clothes. Actually, the thing is, like, I bought few shirts, formal shirts, and jeans for my dad. So, yep, I'm gonna show that as well because men's are also, we have to be equal. Gender equality matters here. So, yeah, I'm gonna show that too. Okay, so the first shirt is this. Even I like this, Well, this shirt. Can you see, guys?
This color is.
Yeah, sky blue. Everybody loves blue color. Yep. So it's cool. It's nice. I don't know why men are not wearing all this. This one they sell it for 200 rupees. Can you imagine? Only 200 rupees. When even I can wear that. Okay, so this one. Then there are many other clothes which is same price as this, I guess. Oh, sorry. This one is actually half, so they sell it for 200, and this one is with a sleeve, so they sell it for 300 rupees. Well, I'll show you guys another more collections I have got. So this one, it's good. The button ones. The next, yes. So. See how nice your dad, your boyfriend, your uncle, everybody, your brothers, everybody is gonna love this clothes, and you can gift it because
It's cheap.
it's affordable. only 300 rupees. You don't have to. Okay, fine. So you can buy it and you can gift anybody or anyone you love, because 300 is nothing, right? I'm sorry. 300 is, yeah, money. The white. So we have white, we have the blue, we have the darker blue, we have the sky blue. So all sells for
200
and 300. All are 300, 300.
It's very
300.
affordable price.
Yeah,
yes.
very affordable price. I guess, Stacy, before you go to home, you should buy it for your dad or brother. I think. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll accompany her.
Okay. Well, we have more to show you guys. Okay, so this jean. Oh my goodness. So this is the men's jean. All right. This is also for my dad. So this is the men's jean, and they sell it for 400 rupees. And if you go to Levi, go to any other store, they sell it, in a big price. So if you get it in a lesser price, why not go for this? That's my question. Okay. Well, we have another jeans, and yep. Oh my God, this also has a very good quality one. Yeah, touch it. Yeah, I'm not lying, you guys. Really, this is so good. Absolutely mind-boggling, I guess. Well, so this is a skinny one, and this is jeans pant. So this is also 399 rupees. Only 399 rupees. Well, yep.
Well, this is a wise choice of spending money.
Yeah, really, really wise. Okay, and
I'm getting money.
okay. So guys, well, okay. I'm not going to show you the price right now, so you have to guess the price. Okay. So this is a handbag, and this is actually from H&M, and this is a real H&M handbag. So, but I got it from that mall. So I'm gonna ask my friend what she thinks of this. What is her guess on this?
299.
Huh?
299.
299. So she thinks this is 300. Why? Because I said H&M. Okay, I knew it. So, but you guys, you're not gonna believe, and you're gonna be in shock. You know what? Because it's only 30 rupees. 29. So yeah, probably you can say 30 rupees.
30?
Yeah, really. So this is only 30 rupees, guys. If you don't believe me, see the tag. It is only 30 rupees.
So even if it's not at in Star Bazaar, Big Bazaar, it's 199.
Yeah. So it's only 30 rupees, and see, you can use it for your college and for groceries.
Swachh Bharat.
Oh yeah, plastic free. This is also plastic free, and
Easily carryable.
See, every time you go to grocery shops, they give you that not
Plastic.
that fashionable one bags. What do you call that? It's it doesn't look good, but we have to pay
10 rupees each.
Yeah, we have to pay 10 rupees, but you're getting it for 29 rupees. Why not go for this? So I think this is fabulous. This Texas Smart. I don't know. See, if you don't believe me, see, it says H&M. So, well, I think, yeah, this is it. Oh, wait. We also have few heels which I bought, and if my mom is seeing this video, I am so doomed. It's because she'll be like, "Oh, you're spending all the money unnecessarily." Okay, so yeah, I like heels, and this is actually Zudio. Okay, and you know the company, right? Zudio. She's a fan of Zudio actually. So yeah.
No,
Not so
I hope
fancy.
Studio is also affordable.
Yeah, so Zudio is also so you imagine this, the Zudio price says 800 on this heel, right? So what do you think? How much I have got?
199.
You're so clever. I know you've seen that already. Yeah, she already saw the price tag and she's saying so. Yeah, so this one I got it for 199, so only 200 rupees.
This green color is
Nowadays trendy.
yeah.
Yeah, so the green they always charge more. But you get it for 199. Okay, now next heel which I bought is this one, the transparent one. I know these are trendy right now, and this is also from Zudio, and it's very comfortable if you wear. You see, because this is not a pencil heel. What do you call this? Any idea?
Block.
Okay, block is it? I don't know.
Block.
So, I don't know, block heel, you say it. So actual price it says here is 599. So the Zudio sells for 599. I think it is still there in some malls which they sell it for 599.
Yes, in Star Bazaar.
Star Bazaar, yeah. So they sell it for 599. Also 200 rupees. Only 200 rupees, guys. So guys, I think I have given enough and more information about the haul, and but one thing is, if you want to go to that mall, I have put the location information below, and I've also given the link, so you can check it out and you can go there and you can collect, you can buy, and also comment if you have been there after watching my video. So through that I'll be happy and I'll be encouraged to make more videos. So please so guys, thank you for watching, and yep, love you all. Bye. Happy Sunday.